Today we will talk about on-demand services. With our busy professional and personal duties, managing work and home can be difficult. This is where on-demand services come to our rescue. On-demand by word means serving the consumers when they demand. There are different types of on-demand services that you can provide, like home cleaning, relocation, carpentry, pet care, laundry service, electronic repair service, vehicle repair, and many more. There is no doubt that on-demand service marketplaces have a bright future globally. Global statistics predict a more than 100% increase in the on-demand market by 2024. It's a three-panel platform consisting of the service providers, the customers, and the admin. A very important aspect of building an on-demand application is knowing the panel features for service providers, customers, and admin. For service providers, the important panel features are onboarding, listing the services, accepting orders, accepting the payment, and managing the orders. Customer panel must include creating the account, searching for the services, placing order for the service, scheduling or rescheduling, paying for the service, and rating the service provider. Panel features for the admin include bird's eye view of all types of users, services, sales, revenue, user management, reporting, content management, and a blog. A basic on-demand marketplace model should include features like registration and login, searching for the service providers, order scheduling, tracking of the services, and rating the service. You must have heard of these popular on-demand service providers like Urban Company, Dunzo, Kiwi, Grubhub, and Zomato. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this informative, like the video, share it, and do subscribe to Try and Code for more great content.